Students, in today's lecture, our focus will be on atomic number and mass number. So let's get started. First of all, atomic number. The atomic number of an element is equal to the number of protons present in the nucleus of its atom. Okay? Atomic number. What is atomic number? Atomic number of an element is equal to the number of protons present in the nucleus of its atom. First of all, let's take a glance on where is nucleus. Nucleus is at the center. this ओके न्यूक्लियस सेंटर में है. अब इस सेंटर में से आपने सब कुछ नहीं देखना, हमने क्या देखना है, जस्ट प्रोटॉन्स को. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले आ जाता है प्रोटॉन्स. हाइड्रोजन के अंदर कितने, हाइड्रोजन की न्यूक्लियस, ये सेंटर वाला रीजन न्यूक्लियस है, इसमें कितने प्रोटॉन्स हैं. हाइड्रोजन के केस में सिर्फ एक प्रोटॉन है, तो इसका एटॉमिक नंबर क्या होगा, 1. ठीक हो गया, ये हाइड्रोजन का सिंबल हो गया और इसका कितने प्रोटॉन्स हैं, एक है सिर्फ. ठीक है, तो इसका एटॉमिक नंबर भी 1 हो गया. दूसरी एग्जांपल को देख लेते हैं. दूसरी एग्जांपल है हमारे पास कार्बन. सबसे पहले हमने किस जगह को लोकेट करना है, न्यूक्लियस को. सबसे पहले आपने न्यूक्लियस को लोकेट करना है. न्यूक्लियस कहाँ पे है, यस, दिस इन सेंटर, ये न्यूक्लियस है आपका. ठीक है, तो ये आपको न्यूक्लियस लोकेट हो गया. अब आपने क्या करना है इसमें कि नंबर ऑफ़ प्रोटॉन्स को देखना है. ठीक है, अब नंबर ऑफ़ प्रोटॉन्स यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है 6 प्रोटॉन्स. यू कांट सी बिकॉज इट्स 3 डायमेंशनल डायग्राम, यू कांट एबल टू सी इट, बट देयर आर 6 प्रोटॉन्स. ठीक है, एज मैंशन 6 प्रोटॉन है, 6 न्यूट्रॉन है, बट यू विल ओनली फोकस ऑन 6 प्रोटॉन. तो एटॉमिक नंबर कार्बन का क्या होगा, 6 होगा. ठीक है, अब एटॉमिक नंबर की रिप्रेजेंटेशन के ऊपर आ जाते हैं. जैसे एलिमेंट की रिप्रेजेंटेशन, ये एलिमेंट की रिप्रेजेंटेशन है हाइड्रोजन की रिप्रेजेंटेशन के लिए एच, कैपिटल एच लिखते हैं उसका सिंबल. ठीक है, अब एटॉमिक नंबर की रिप्रेजेंटेशन या उसका सिंबल क्या है, जी. ठीक है, डोंट बी कंफ्यूज दैट इट इज़ स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम ए देन इट्स द सिंबल विल आल्सो बी विद ए. नो, एटॉमिक नंबर का सिंबल क्या है, जी. ओके, one more example, let's talk about helium, because here it's not a 3-dimensional diagram, it's planar, so it's easy to look. Now first of all, it's your turn. How? First of all, locate its nucleus. So nucleus is at the center. Okay, done. First of all, we locate the nucleus. The second first of all we locate nucleus. Okay, second step is count the number of protons. Number of protons. So number of protons are 2. This in frozen balls, 2. Done. So there are 2 protons. It means its atomic number, which is represented by Z, is 2. Done. Now let's look at mass number. What is mass number? Mass number is the sum of protons and neutrons. Okay, as you know, at the center there are protons and neutrons. Okay, in atomic number our focus was only on protons, but in mass number our focus is on accumulation of proton and neutron, मतलब means sum of proton and neutron. Okay, the mass number is the sum of protons and neutrons in the nucleus of an atom. So again, our first target will be to locate nucleus. Okay, then second task is to do calculation of proton and neutron, means counting of proton and neutron, means its sum is mass number. Okay, now let's move to its representation. It is represented by A, capital A. And how we calculate? Calculation is capital A is equal to Z plus N. Yes, what is Z? Z is Z A is mass number, Z is atomic number. We did it previously. Okay, and N is the number of neutrons. Done. Number of neutrons. Okay. Approximately proton and neutron has 1 AMU mass. We will study about AMU later on. Now in periodic table, each element is written in center, and its atomic number is on the above. Atomic number is the identification of an element. All atom of an element have same atomic number. All atom of an element have same atomic number. Means these are the representation, identification. If I say atomic number of 1, which element have atomic number of 1, then you will go and look at the periodic table, and hydrogen is given with atomic number 1. It's mean only hydrogen is the element which have atomic number 1, and all its atom will have atomic number of 1. And in some of the periodic table, under this element A is given. What is A? A is mass number. Okay, not in all periodic table, but in some periodic table both things are written, atomic number as well as mass number, as we did here. As you can see that this is a periodic table, and only atomic numbers are given: hydrogen 1, lithium 3, beryllium 4, and these atomic numbers are actually the number of protons in an atom. Okay, so this element. Now hydrogen and carbon, let's do the example of hydrogen and carbon. First of all, hydrogen, the simplest element. As you see here that number of protons, there is only one proton in a nucleus. Okay, our first task was to locate the nucleus. Okay, you have located the nucleus. Then what you have to do is count the number of protons. There is only one proton, so its atomic number is 1, and all the atoms of an element of hydrogen have atomic number 1. Whereas now let's count neutrons. There is no neutron. It's mean A is equal to Z plus neutron. Z is 1 plus 0. It's mean its mass is also 1. Atomic number and mass number both are 1. Okay. Carbon atom. Number of proton. You can see here. First of all, locate nucleus. Yes, you have located nucleus. Now what for atomic, we are first of all we are doing atomic number Z. Okay, you have located nucleus. Now count its proton. 6 proton. So its atomic number is 6. Now its mass number, which is represented with A, Z plus N. Protons are 6 and neutrons are also 6, so its mass is 12. Now let's talk about oxygen. Oxygen, first of all, atomic number is 8. How? First of all, locate its nucleus. Yes, you have located nucleus. Then count its proton. 8 protons. These positive balls, 8 protons. And how now atomic mass या mass number both are same. Mass number या atomic mass both are same thing. ठीक है, don't confuse it. Atomic mass and mass number both are same and represented with A. Okay, Z plus N, 8 plus 8, and it is 16. elements along with the atomic number and mass number. Yes, atomic mass number and atomic mass both are same thing, which are represented by A, and atomic number representation is Z. Okay, fluorine, number of protons, uh, 9, and where these protons reside, yes, in the center, in the nucleus. Number of neutron, 10. Atomic number depend on number of protons, and mass number is a sum of proton plus neutron. Okay, so uh, atomic number is equal to 9 because it contains 9 protons, whereas its mass number or atomic mass is 19, which is the sum of 9 plus 9 plus 10 is equal to 19. Now let's example sodium. Number of protons in sodium 11, and its atomic number is also 11. Now let's talk about its mass number. Number of protons plus number of neutron, 11 plus 12, 23. Magnesium, number of protons 12, so its atomic number will also be 12. And what about its mass number? Number of protons plus number of neutrons, 12 plus 12 is equal to 24. Okay, potassium, number of protons 19, so its atomic number will also be 19. Now what about its mass number? 19 plus 20 is equal to 39. Okay, this is an example from your book. You have to solve it. How many protons and neutrons are there in an atomic atom having A is equal to 238 and Z is equal to 92? Now what's A? A is atomic mass or mass number, both are same thing. Okay, and Z atomic number. Now what you have to do, you have the formula A is equal to Z plus N. Now what's your data? A is equal to 238 and Z is equal to 92. It's mean number of protons are 92. Okay, because atomic number is same as the number of protons. Now formula A is equal to Z plus N. Number of neutrons is equal to A minus Z. Now you have to arrange this formula, which will become A minus Z, and 238 minus 92, and it will come 146. So that's all for today. You have to revise this lecture twice or thrice to grab the basic concept.